In this video, I'll show you how you can download Minecraft Java Edition on your PC or laptop. First, what you want to do is you want to head over to minecraft.net and you should come to this page. In here, you want to either create an account or sign into your Microsoft account if you have one. So simply choose to sign up or sign in. Now I'll quickly sign into an account and show you what to do from there. Now, once you're signed into an account, as you can see here, what you want to do is either go to your profile while here, or you should already be on this page. Now, under My Games, you should be able to see all the Minecraft games, and we're going to do the Java Edition. So simply press Buy Now, and you'll come to the checkout page. In here, you have the option to choose the normal Minecraft or the deluxe collection, and you can see what's included in these. Here you get Java, Bedrock, and you get the Minecraft launcher. In here you get some extra deluxe items, but this is obviously $10 more. So choose the one that you want, press checkout. And from in here, what we want to do is we want to just press next and fill in our information. So choose either a credit or debit card, or use your e-wallet like PayPal or anything. And then once you've done that, you're going to confirm it and you'll get to the download page. Now, once you downloaded Minecraft and you opened up the Minecraft launcher right here, you're going to make sure you log into the account that you just bought the game with. And from in here, what you can do is choose the latest release down here. And you should simply be able to just choose Java Edition, press play, or the Bedrock Edition if you want to play that one. And simply just press play and it will open up your game. Now, that's basically how it works, guys. It's super simple and super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.